5 free money making apps. Yes, that's right. In this video, we're going to be covering 5 free money making apps that you can download and install today and start making money as fast as possible with just your phone. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business, as well as provide money making tips into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like watching content about making money and growing online businesses, then please take some time to hit that like button, subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Before we continue, a quick shout out to these awesome people for your support. I really do appreciate it, so thank you so much. The shout out goes to Simply the Best and Denise Beats. Thank you for your support, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. And for all of you watching this video, go check out these channels. If they interest you, please support them. Today we're going to be going over 5 free apps that you can use to make some money free and easy, all from your phone. I'm going to be working through the apps in preference from option 5 all the way through to option 1. After watching this video, I hope that you go and download and sign up to all of them to give you the greatest opportunity to make as much money as possible. And I would even suggest using multiple devices so that you can sign up with different accounts and maximize these as best as possible. So with that being said, let's get into it. All the apps that I do mention in this video, you can check out the links in the description below. App number 5 is called SmartApp. When you get to their website, which is smartapp.io, and start working through the information on the page, as you scroll through it, you'll see that it says here, join the SmartApp research study, be part of an influential network of tech users who turn their data into useful insights and extra cash. Essentially what this app is about, you'll install it on your phone and have it running permanently in the background. It then records data from your phone of apps that you use, how you use certain things, etc. Not your private data, not things like personal photos, personal information or anything, but takes similar data to that of what Google or Facebook would take while you're using your phone. They then have that data at their disposal and you earn money for the fact that they've recorded some data while you use your phone on a daily basis. The crux of this is using your data to improve online services loved and used by millions of people every day. And seeing how you use different things like apps and web browsers, they can then use that data and improve all their services. Moving further down, you'll see it shows an overview. You sign up and take a short survey. You then install it once you've qualified. And then you keep your device connected and take surveys to earn rewards. This provides your valuable and important insights. Moving further down, it states here that any data collected is anonymous and secure. And how they use your data is they improve their services and features based on the information they gather from you using your phone. Moving further down, it shows you here how you earn money. You take surveys to earn cash and automatically get entered into monthly giveaways just for keeping your device connected. Here it shows you your regular rewards. So it states that qualifying participants can earn $5 for every 30 days your device stays connected, plus extra loyalty bonuses every 3 months. As stated before, you're not going to be earning millions from this, but it is free money and money that you can earn from pretty much doing the exact same things you do on your phone every single day. App number 4 is Lifecoin. When going through to the App Store preview, it shows that there's 9,500 ratings and it's a 4.7 rating. And it's a free app to install. In scrolling down, you can see here that you get rewards for walking. You can then exchange these rewards for gift cards such as Amazon or Uber, or you can exchange them for gadgets. You also earn by inviting your friends to Lifecoin. In moving to the information below, you'll see it says here earn rewards by walking, running or hiking. The app then converts your outdoor steps into Lifecoins and allows you to redeem them for gift cards, gadgets and more. An overview of how it works is you do an outdoor activity such as walk, run or hike. Lifecoin then recognizes the steps and mileage that you take. You accumulate Lifecoins based on all the exercise and steps and things that you've covered. And once you've accumulated your Lifecoins, you can then redeem these Lifecoins for gift cards, gadgets, discount codes and more. And as mentioned earlier, you can refer friends and family and earn Lifecoins. You'll get 5 Lifecoins for every person that you refer to the app. In going to their website, you'll see what the interface will look like on your phone, showing you the amount of Lifecoins that you're earning from all your steps, hiking, running, etc. Scrolling down, it shows you featured items. You can even get an Apple iPhone X. You can get $100 gift cards, Apple AirPods, etc. It just depends what they have available in their gadget store at the particular time. You'll then see the interface will show the amount of Lifecoins that you've got based on your total steps that you've taken. And you can then convert these Lifecoins into any of the rewards that you would like. Again, this app isn't going to make you thousands and thousands of dollars. But if you're going to the gym or taking a hike and doing your relevant walking around the house, at the shops, have this app running on your phone, let it record the steps and the mileage that you actually do while walking around, and earn some Lifecoins and convert that into any gift cards, gadgets, or money that you would like. Free money, people, free money. App number 3 is called Slidejoy. Now I think this is actually quite a cool app and quite an awesome concept. But let's get into it and I'll show you more. When going to their website, slidejoy.com, you'll see on this picture exactly what the app is about. So you install this app on your phone, and every time that you're about to unlock your phone, you'll then see an ad displayed on your phone. The ad will pop up on your lock screen itself. You can then choose to click on the advert and learn more, or skip the ad while you unlock your phone. And every time that you see an ad, whether you view it or skip it, you will earn money. So in showing here, you'll see on your lock screen, it'll show you a particular advert that's most likely relevant to all the activity, searches, apps, everything that you use on your phone. They'll basically target what you do on your phone to show you the most relevant ads. And Slidejoy states here that your brand gets an undistracted first look before the user gets overwhelmed by the rest of the mobile experience. And what's more is they get the activity that you do on your phone probably more so than anything else, which is unlock your phone. Whoever came up with this concept is a very clever person, especially in today's day and age where the phone basically rules everybody's lives. And if you think about what you do on a daily basis, generally you'll go and unlock your screen, even if you're not even looking at an app or searching for something. It's kind of a part of habit. So while you're working through these habits on a daily basis where you unlock your screen, why not earn some money at the same time? App number 2 is called Dosh. On the App Store preview, you'll see that it's got over 113,000 ratings and it's a 4.7 rating. Obviously the app is free to download and use. In scrolling down, you'll see the concept of this app. You'll get cash back for things that you do on a daily basis. These things that you do on a daily basis can be shopping, booking hotels, going to a restaurant, a number of different things. And you can see a number of different companies listed here that are using this and providing those cashback rewards. You'll see the concept of this app is you get cash back for shopping on items you already buy. So get money for shopping, eating, and booking hotels. These are just some of the items that you can get cash back on. What you'll need to do is download the app, connect your credit and debit cards to this, and every time you're about to use those cards, Dosh will then search for available offers. If Dosh finds one, it automatically redeems it and converts it into cold hard cash. Once it's converted, they then deposit directly into your Dosh wallet. And once you build up enough in your Dosh wallet, you can then use that for any other service, or you can then transfer it to your PayPal account. And if you're feeling particularly generous, you can then transfer that to a charity of your choice. In moving to their website, being dosh.com, you'll see they're displaying a thing here showing what the item cost and how much you get back in Dosh rewards. Moving down, you'll be able to see sites that they use. So there's Walmart, there's Pizza Hut, Disney, Dunkin' Donuts. So why not earn money doing things that you do on a daily basis or weekly basis, whether you're going out shopping, whether you're going out dining. Use this app and get as many cashback deals as possible. Alright, so moving on to the number 1 app. That app is called Foap. The concept of this app is very simple. You can make money uploading your photos or videos to the Foap marketplace. But there is one thing on here that is completely different to any other stock photography marketplace, whether it be Pixabay, iStock Photo, etc. The difference here is what they call missions. So a mission will be uploaded from companies such as Volvo or Nivea. They will then specify a criteria for this mission. And this will include taking photos of their products and including it in those photos or even the videos that you upload. You can then submit these photos and videos into the mission and have a chance of earning some great monetary rewards. Some of these missions, they'll allow a top 5 or top 10, sometimes even to a top 25. And whoever's in the top 5, 10, 25, they all earn a share of that mission value. And if the company specifies $1,000 and there's a top 10, then each of the top 10 will earn $100 if they are placed in that top 10. You'll see a great one here, a nice picture regarding the Nivea cream. And that obviously won a particular mission that Nivea presented on the website. In moving to the mission area on the Foap website, you'll be able to see numerous examples of what these missions might be. You'll see that they've got simple missions as well as premium missions. So the simple missions will be a lower reward value, whereas the premium missions will be a higher reward value. You'll be able to see this here. So it shows the number of photos submitted for this mission currently. It shows the rewards for each of these missions and the amount of days left for each of these missions. If we select the still life mission and go read more, once getting into it, you'll scroll down and you'll see the different pictures uploaded and submitted by all the people that have entered this mission. So you know what you're up against. So when going into the about detail of the mission, it'll tell you what you need to do. This one centers around still photography. You can upload 10 photos and it shows you the prizes for first place, second place, third place, and so on. First place in this one gets $100. In doing these missions, I think it's a really fun and great way to get involved with different brands around the world and get creative and start making some money based on the things that you love to do anyway. And all photos and submissions that you do on these missions, if by some chance that you are unsuccessful and don't come in the top 5, top 10, whatever the case may be, load them up onto the marketplace and make some money that way. With this type of thing, it's a case of having quality photos and videos, but getting the quantity out there. So the more that you get onto this particular site, the better chance you have of making a good sustainable income from it. And I have seen reviews where people are making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis because they are uploading quality imagery, quality videos, and getting a good quantity out there on a consistent basis. So go have some fun and make some money. Just a quick disclaimer, the apps that I do mention in this video, albeit that they're very good apps, they're not going to make us millionaires. It would be great if they did, but we know that's not going to be the case. But free money is free money, and nobody's going to complain about that. Your time is precious and the most valuable currency that you have. So if you're looking for ways to make a little bit of additional money and exchange some of your time for the money, then I would suggest using these apps. One thing I would suggest, once you've earned money from these apps, save all of that or as much of it as possible. That way you can then take that money and reinvest it into a different side hustle and something that is scalable and easier to grow and grow a little bit faster. Anything that you reinvest in that can scale and grow faster is your number one priority. Rather take that money and invest in yourself and your future and grow it into a scalable business. These apps that I've discussed in this video are just your start. There you have it, ladies and gents. A cool and fun way to go out and earn some free money. So if you're looking for a way to make some money using apps, go out and get these apps and give them a try. For further tips, tricks, and strategies, check out these videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found some value in it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you have a lovely day. We'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.